What's up, guys? It is Power Blast X here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing my new phone, Google Pixel 8. So basically, if you don't know, my S22 Ultra got cracked like 3 months ago. I cracked it. I only had the phone for like 8 months now. This is an Amazon renewed 256GB Pixel 8. The box itself, nothing on the box, but alright, let's open it up now. Yeah, I'm using the S22 Ultra to film this, by the way, instead of my Canon camcorder, but okay, we got a cable, and oh my god, this is nice to see the phone. This is a Type-C cable, and the Pixel 8 itself. Oh wow, beautiful, look at that, amazing. The condition actually looks good. What? There's only a single speck here, but the screen looks amazing. Does it turn on? But it's my first time using any Pixel. I'll be switching obviously brands too, Samsung to Google. Looks like the phone may be dead, but so far it looks like it's in good condition. What? This is like, I chose acceptable condition, but like literally this looks amazing. I let it sit on the charging for a few minutes, and now it's finally showing life. So I guess it was just dead. But hey, there we go. We got the Google logo. Well, this thing is nice. It feels nice. Oh, there we go. It's already set up. Why is it already set up? I'm gonna reset this right now. I don't want it set up, but oh my gosh, this is nice. First time using the Pixel UI. It looks awesome. Let's go into settings here and factory reset, because I want to set this up myself. There we go, factory reset. But this thing is beautiful. Look at this hazel color. The gray looks amazing. The cameras look great. Like this does not look like an acceptable, like acceptable is the lowest tier, by the way, but like look at that. I see there's only like a few like little very tiny scratches on the screen. I think like some kind of bumps, but it looks nice. The hole punch does look a little big, but I don't care. I don't even care. The front facing camera I think is good anyway. But okay guys, so I just left it charging for a bit just to let it charge up, and now let's set it up. Okay, English is my language. Okay, so automatically detected my S22 Ultra. The reason the video cut off is because the pop-up actually showed up. It literally knows I'm setting up new phones, but okay, I don't know what my pin is. Okay, I got the correct pin. Now I'm gonna connect to the internet. Now it says getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. I don't know, maybe it's doing some activation stuff, but yeah. But the Pixel 8 is kind of hot, but that's probably because it's charging right now. So I mean, it's not too hot, but oh, checking network info. Man, this is exciting, dudes. This is exciting, guys. Okay, just copied over all of my Google SIM. eSIM, are you serious? I'm just gonna skip this part. I'm just gonna insert my actual SIM card. I don't care about eSIM. Fingerprint. Let's start. Oh my god, it's like that optical one. Alright, let's set it up. I'm gonna do this. Copy apps and data. Ooh. Hey guys, I'm now filming from the Pixel, and I'm resetting my S22. I copied all my data, and now we're resetting it. And now we're gonna be trading this into EcoATM. I think it's 58 bucks, which isn't too bad. But I think it's 58 bucks, it isn't too bad. But Pixel 8. My Pixel 8, well, I didn't fully set it up yet, but I got all my data and all my apps, so everything's already on my phone. But wow, let's go to EcoATM now. I also did get a new car today as well. Well, my dad got a new car, but that was a fail yesterday. Based on the Walmart yesterday, the machine was like broken. So yeah, today we're gonna be going to Walmart number 2, I guess. Yeah, guys, it's now the next day. Yeah, I got my 58 bucks. Honestly, I would say it's worth it because like nothing beats the convenience. I know 58 bucks may be a little low, but honestly, I just wanted to get rid of this phone before it gets worse. And I could just walk into I just have to be able to walk into Walmart, just give it my phone, and instantly evaluates, and then it gives me 58 bucks in cold hard cash instantly. So, but yeah, now it's gone, and now I'm on my Google Pixel 8. This is what I'm using to record right now with the front facing camera. I'm loving this phone a lot, honestly. It's very good. I've been using it for like, I think like for a few days now. It's been a few days now. And yeah, I'm just getting more and more used to it. It's a very good phone. Everything is very fast. It's modern. The size is very good. The haptics is very good. And I'm going to get a case and screen protector for this thing soon. So, yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Of course, I'm not gonna go into too in depth. I'm probably gonna make a separate video of this phone, like going like over it and like how this phone is in 2026. This is just an unboxing and mini vlog. So thank you all for watching. Remember, be sure to like, share, comment, and binge and watch my other videos. Binge my tech and unboxings like playlist. If you want to see more of these kinds of videos. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching Powerball Stacks. Peace out. Visit powerballstacks.com.